I don't know what to do. That's annoying!
Looks terrible.
We're hiding these. Ow! What is going on here?
This is a joke.
Where's the dish? This should be really obvious.
Oh dear, oh dear. Hello, normals.
Hello, Janice.
No, I'm not normal. I'm not normal. I said hello.
We brought you down.
Today's theme is meringue. You must create a delicious dish, including a high-quality, technically sound meringue of your choice.
Okay. Why?
This is a normals-only challenge, so Chef James will be watching you live from the Chef's Cam area and will award a meringue badge if your performances merit it. James will decide the order as he watches along.
Oh, fantastic. Well, in that case,
And that means that we can impart some of the blame to you if it doesn't work out.
I don't think I can be blamed for any of what's about to happen.
The Normal's most recent attempts were more meringue than meringue, so we've given them 60 minutes for this challenge. Each person will cook in 10-minute blocks and will have 2 goes in the kitchen, with James deciding the order.
Right.
He has eggs and sugar, that's a good start.
Here's what I'm thinking. A citrusy, tart-based thing with meringue on top, and I think that means we need a Swiss meringue, which I think is one of the easier ones to do. So for that, I'm going to need, I need water, kettle.
Well, he's only a minute in, but he's made a great start. Very clear on what he wants to do. He's wiping out the bowl because if you use a dirty bowl to whip up meringue, it doesn't work if you have any grease in it. This is impressive.
So, Swiss meringue is egg whites and sugar in that bowl, and I have to make sure that the sugar is dissolved. And I do that by doing that. And if it's grainy, leave it in there. If it's not grainy, it's fine. And then mix it and whisk, 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 and it should be good.
Oh God, he actually listens. He listens.
I don't know, in terms of order, if this is the first thing that I should be doing, but I want to get my meringue badge, so I want to do the meringue.
That's the interesting thing about this challenge. They all want to contribute to the meringue, but is the meringue the first thing he should be doing? Probably not with an hour. I'm not sure what he's going for, but if he's going for something like a lemon meringue or lime meringue pie, then he wants to get the curd on.
I'm not panicking. This is all fine. That's a mug. That'll be all right. Right, egg yolks in here. This is going to be great. Oh no, it's a dirty mug! It's got coffee in it. Who left a coffee mug there? Oh no, can I have another bowl, please? We know how to separate eggs. This is fine. We've done this so many times. Why are you panicking about separating eggs?
He knows how to do this. I'd love to see them use the yolks for something. If you're making a curd, it's really good to use the yolks.
Right, but I'm going to try and multitask whilst I'm doing this then.
Oh no,
so,
oh no.
What am I thinking? I don't want to ruin this, but I do want to run and get something else from the table. Oh.
It's a very gentle heat, but you do want to kind of keep it moving.
There we go. Multitasking.
I mean, I can't fault him there.
I think some ginger could be good. I'll give the boys options. Ginger, cherries. So we could have lime and ginger. Cherry and almond. It's like a cherry bakewell. Oh, wouldn't that be nice? Right, how is this doing? That feels good to me. Let's get the stand mixer in. Bowl in. How does this bowl go in?
So Jay's done the meringue, and he's not given anyone else a chance to do anything with it.
I think I'm leaving this in a good place. We have meringue. It's a meringue, pass it on. James, who's next?
Right, here we go. We have meringue. I don't want to be a but I'm going to be a We have 40 minutes. Why has he made a meringue now?
He's absolutely right.
Lime and ginger, nice. Put them together. I assume that this is a Swiss meringue. What's that? Vanilla extract?
Oh no. Oh no.
Well done, Jay. You just want to whisk this until the bowl cools, and then it's good to go, and we can torch it. I imagine that he's thinking some sort of crispy bottom. I've done nothing for 2 minutes.
Okay, so Mike's testing the heat of the bowl, and you want to whisk it until the bowl is pretty cool. They do know how to make meringue.
I'm going to make a base because something's going to need to either bake or chill. Let's see what there is. I found some honey graham crackers. So honey, ginger, lime, all good combinations. I'm going to make a buttery biscuit base, press it into a small tart case and chill it.
Nice.
And we've got some sort of crispy, crusty base.
So he's taken Jamie's idea of maybe like a tart, but switched out the pastry for a kind of cheesecakey base. So I think it's a great idea. It's a really good idea. The meringue is probably almost there. It's hard to overwhip a meringue like this. The meringue is looking good though.
Let's break these up. Still a bit warm, so I'll keep it going. Okay, so I have graham crackers. I have melted butter. It's all going in together, and I'm going to pulse that until we get some breadcrumbs. Okay, I have 2 tart cases here, and now if I can just put some butter in here so Baz knows that he's got to rub it, put that in there and then get it chilling, I think we will have a base in time. Whew! James, who's going next?
Okay, we have, that looks like meringue. I'm gonna stop it.
Okay, I think that was a good start. That meringue's been on for 10 plus minutes right now. He's tasting it, that's good.
Ooh, that's good meringue. Biscuity base, okay. Nothing in the oven. Fridge, nothing else on the go.
Do you think because I'm watching they're all on their best behaviour? Because this is going well.
I had an idea.
No. Oh no.
Do you have any frozen berries? That's fine, let's see what we've got. So I was thinking, we've got everything here to make ourselves a baked Alaska. I wondered whether or not we could put ice cream as the filling.
So we've been doing a lot of cooking recently for the new book. And the one thing that gets left over is ice cream. Honestly, I think I prefer the tart idea because I'd like to see them make a filling, and they've got they had time to make a filling, rather than use something that we've made already.
I really like the idea of a baked Alaska because it's a showstopper. Kiwi ice cream is tart, not too sweet. That'll go really well with baked Alaska. Let's go kiwi.
Kiwi ice cream is delicious.
But I need to get it out there. I need to let that thaw.
So I like his thought process. He's gonna dip the tray into hot water, and what I'm hoping he's thinking is that he's gonna take the whole thing out as a block and then slice it as a block.
Pistachio. Let's add a bit more. In my head, I've got a kind of a green theme going on. Right, now, does this cut out? Yes, it does. Good boy.
That was a fantastic idea. Like, full credit for that.
I'll skip a little bit. Keep it melting very slightly. I've got to soften that. Got to soften that. A little bit of seasoning in the base, and add a little bit of salt.
A bit of salt. People don't think about seasoning with salt in a sweet dish, but it helps. It just like helps lift things.
Sorry, Mike. I'm guessing this is you. I'm gonna hide these because I don't want to make tarts anymore. I want to make baked Alaskas.
So Barry is on a completely different page to Jay and Mike.
Cool. Okay.
Have another 10 minutes, mate.
So I didn't have to panic all of that time.
I think you were hoping that somebody else might come in and clear up your mess.
All right.
Yeah, I think this is going to be fun.
Oh, that'd be nice on top. Some dark chocolate.
Okay, so ice cream time. The good thing about the ice cream is that it's mascarpone ice cream, which sets really fast. The bad thing is that I don't think he's going to have time for it to set.
Go in to our moulds. Okay, that's a good one. I want a fine grate of chocolate before I put my biscuity base on top.
I don't think that's even going to register.
Going on top.
Nice.
Push down. Okay, let's get that into the freezer. Okay, right. So now I've got time to clear down and try and make it obvious to the guys what we're doing and what they've got to do next. We've never been this far ahead, I don't think. Food-based clues only. Another arrow here.
No.
What am I doing? X marks the spot.
Would you guys judge me if I just failed it on that?
I didn't write anything down, all right? That's not cheating. Oh, I really hope they set up. In my 20 minutes, I feel like I've done okay. Let's go for 7. 7. That's modest for me, come on.
Right, let's see what's happened. Big arrow, another arrow. What, pineapple? Oh, wait, hang on, there's icing sugar. Why is there a big X there? These?
Found it.
Clues, what's this? Okay, that's like a pistachio biscuity crumb. That's what that was, so right, that. But what is that? I hope that's not what we've made.
Hey, that was nice. I made that. It's kiwi ice cream.
This is fun. What can I actually do that's going to be useful? I can put our meringue in a piping bag, number one. Let's do that whilst we think. Nozzle. What nozzle should we go for? Let's go for a fun nozzle. Oh my, Jamie, just pick a nozzle. I'm having this nozzle. That's quite big, isn't it? So there we go.
Jamie is the only person who's touched the meringue so far. So he might come out of this well.
Push this down.
So he could cut a hole in the bottom. Oh, there we go.
Job done. Oh my God, I've got 3 minutes left. All I've done is put some meringue in a piping bag and it's gone all over my hands, which is the whole point of putting it in the jug. Right.
It'd be nice to see them make something to go alongside the baked Alaska.
Not knowing what the dish is makes it very difficult to find a plate to serve it up on. But hey, here's a nice one, so we'll have that. I could make a dish and finish it just as a backup.
He's thinking he's going to make a dish and finish it in a minute. Why is he growing?
At the end of the day, we can always make a banana split, right? That's just going to confuse him.
What
I'm
is
going to undo
that?
that. Undo that. I'll eat that banana. What do I rate myself? No, I think I've done well. I've done well. I'm giving myself an 8. Mike!
Okay.
I love the banana. I love the banana.
I assume that that's the meringue from earlier. Arrows, pineapple. So Barry's next, isn't he? So I've just got to prep for Barry.
Barry has been twice already, Mike.
Oh, Barry, did Barry go twice? Oh, well, where's the dish? Freezer. There must be something in the freezer. What's in this? I assume that this is what we've made, but what's in it? Right, okay, maybe there's a whole dessert here.
So I don't think it's going to be set. It's going to be sticking.
I assume blowtorch.
Here we go. Here we go.
So I assume I'm heating this up and I'm hoping that there's some sort of like delicious fruity thing on the top of this. Wow, this is fiddly for a last go. I was not ready to be the plater-upper. Okay, so this is physically not coming out. Oh, what the hell is that? That's ice cream. Oh no. How long has this been in? Please don't tell me that this is supposed to be a baked Alaska, because stuff needs to chill for about 4 hours, because I've made one before and we've had 40 minutes. Shall I just pipe it on?
Just do it.
Okay, right. Guys, we're going for it. We're just going to go for it. I mean, the meringue's great, so well done, Jay. I don't want to speculate, but this has Barry Taylor written all over it.
It's going well. It's going well. The piping skills are good.
Okay, I think I've covered in all the gaps. We're just gonna have to blowtorch this.
Look at that meringue. Look at the meringue.
Okay, I'm just gonna now, I don't wanna brown it much more. I mean, it looks great. I'm not gonna lie. What? I mean, is that someone's way of being helpful for me? I mean, we've got pistachios already. There we go. That was stressful. I'm gonna give myself an 8. Do it, James.
Ready?
Please.
Yes!
Are you pleased?
I mean, the meringue looks great, but I also left the kitchen with only meringue being in there, so I have no idea what else there is.
That's not just a pile of meringue, is it?
Air. There's only one way to find out, isn't there? There's a layer. We've got one layer.
We've got crunch.
I'm okay with that. That's not bad. It's soft. It's soft. It's not. It should be firmer.
Well, should we eat it?
Cheers.
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 Well,
I like it.
I like it.
I like it. I think it's very good. I think the meringue was very well made. I was impressed that you knew what to gather and that you knew what you were doing. You were looking for the right things with the graininess. I questioned whether you should start with meringue and whether that was maybe a personal decision.
So, if anything, not being aware of how long a meringue takes shows a lack of knowledge about meringue, doesn't it?
But he did make it.
I made it and knew that it could sit there for
Okay,
a while
fair.
once it was made, and then it was done and we wouldn't have to worry about it until the last minute.
Then it was you, and you got rid of the pastry, which I think was fair enough, but you kept the idea. So you were like, tart, yes, pastry, no, which I think is fair enough. And then Barry. Barry didn't like either of your ideas.
Standard.
Barry knew what he wanted to do,
No, it's
and
not
he
the
was
point.
going to do it no matter what.
Barry did an Ebbers.
He did a cloud egg.
It's a cloud egg.
It was going towards a tart, and if I'm honest, I'm not confident in making curds, so I just thought, what do I know how to make? Which
And
was
then
either...
you didn't make anything.
Well, I knew...
You grabbed it from the freezer.
Well, I wanted...
Something that we had made already.
Seeing as you watched the whole thing through, and we each rated ourselves, we're going to tell you our rating, and then we'd like you to give your rating for us and see how close they are. Because yeah, it's making you squirm, so it's obviously a good idea. Jay, you went first.
Gave myself an 8.
You made meringue. It's good meringue. And then you cut a banana in half. So maybe like a 7 for the meringue.
Too far off.
Baz?
7.
Okay, a good point was that you instantly took the meringue off and stopped it whisking. I may have liked to see you make something. Because you did the ice cream thing, in an hour you guys made a Swiss meringue and a cheesecake base. Maybe like a 6. You know, you don't want to offend someone, but they didn't do a great job.
Just go do Mark then, fine.
I went for an 8.
Meringue, you knew what you were looking for, you tested the bowl, you left it running because it was still really hot after Jay put it in, and your piping skills were great. So I'm going to go with an 8. Why not? I'll give you an 8.
I think you've got to rate whether this is a pass or fail.
It's
Doesn't matter what
honestly,
we think.
it's a hard one because it tastes great, but you didn't really do much in an hour. But I'm going to say it's a pass.
Oh, great. Okay. And the most important bit, do we all get a meringue badge?
You get a badge, you get a badge, you get a badge.
Oh,
Yes!
well done.
Hooray!
Great.
You all demonstrated that you know what to do with it.
As always, get in the comments and rate the 3 of us from best to worst, and let us know your theme ideas.
If you'd like to continue this conversation or laugh at our expense over on Twitter, then please do so with the hashtag sorted. Pass it on. Almost forgot what we were doing.
And after so many of your requests, we're bringing back our Pass It On reaction videos. This is where we all sit down and react to each other's performances in full for the first time, and we film it. You can see the fallout of this meringue episode in a bonus video this Friday at 4 p.m. on our channel. Set your notifications in YouTube so you don't miss it.
Oh, hi. Oh. This is the kind of stuff that gets
Stop
cut.
it, cheeky.
This is the kind of stuff that gets cut, but it can't get cut.